This is section 1.4, write equations and inequalities. We're going to start by talking about 5 different symbols. The first one is the equal to symbol that you're probably very familiar with. And sometimes we use words like is or same as. And those are just kind of things to watch out for. That is going to be use an equal sign in your equation. Less than, we may say fewer than. We may say up to. So just some words that you want to be aware of. For greater than, you may hear more than. For less than or equal to, you might hear the words at most, or even no more than. And then the last one is greater than or equal to, and you may hear phrases like at least or no less than. So just some different phrases that we use in English mean the same thing in algebra. So let's take a look at your worksheet. And we're going to start with the first example. The first one says the difference of twice a number and 15 is 8. So let's take a look at some of the things that we already know. Difference means subtraction. Twice a number, well, we'll just have to pick a variable for the number. We'll say x. So twice a number is going to be 2x. And we know that is means equals. So we know we're going to use subtraction. We're looking for the difference of twice a number and 15. So the difference of twice a number and 15 is 8. So we just took that verbal phrase and translated it into an equation. Let's look at the second one. Quotient means we're going to use division, because quotient is the solution of a division problem of a number. We'll use x, and 7 is less than. So if it's less than, we're going to use the less than symbol. So quotient of a number and 7. We're going to set this up like a fraction, because a fraction means division. The quotient of x and 7, x divided by 7, is less than 41. So we just wrote an inequality translated from a verbal phrase. And then the last one, a number is at least 27 or less than 35. This one's a little bit tricky. Let's call our number x. So we know that x is going to be between 27 and 35. All right? We know that x is at least 27, so x is greater than or equal to 27. We know that x is less than 35, so x is less than 35. So we're having x between 27 and 35. Now, because we're writing it this way, we're going to flip that around. So we're going to flip our symbol. That means x is greater than or equal to 27, and x is less than 35. So now what I'd like you to do is stop the video, do problems 4 through 6 on your own, and then go on to the second video.